Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the proof of theorem 10.8 from Circles chapter from NCERT class 9. Here the theorem is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Here the cases we are taking are the first one is minor arc and second one is semicircle and third one is major arc. So let O be the center of the circle. And here in the first case we are taking PQ be the minor arc and angle subtended by minor arc PQ at center O is angle POQ and angle subtended by minor arc PQ at any point on the circle, that is A, is angle PAQ, this angle. And here we have to prove that angle POQ is equal to this angle is equal to twice of angle PAQ. Now we have to prove that angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PAQ. So for that, first join AO and extend this line till B. And here we have to prove the relation between these two angles. So first angle PAQ we can write as, this is angle PAQ. We can write as angle OAP plus angle OAQ. So this is first equation, and angle POQ we can write as angle POB plus angle QOB. Sum of these two angles is angle POQ. This is second equation. Now in triangle OAP, OA is equal to OP. These two sides of this triangle are equal because OA and OP are radii of the same circle. So these two sides are equal. We know that if two sides of a triangle are equal, then opposite angles of those sides are equal. So angle OAP is equal to angle OPA because these two sides are equal. These two are opposite angles of these two sides. And angle POB is equal to, this is the angle. This angle is, see here this figure, here this angle is exterior angle of this triangle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Here opposite interior angles of this exterior angle is equal to these two angles. Therefore angle POB is equal to angle OAP plus angle OPA. And angle OAP is equal to angle OPA. So angle OAP plus, instead of angle OPA we can write as angle OAP plus angle OAP. Therefore angle POB is equal to twice angle OAP. Similarly we can write angle QOB, this angle, this is exterior angle of this triangle. Therefore angle QOB is equal to sum of these two interior angles. So that we can write as twice of angle OAQ. This is that angle OAQ, twice of this angle. Now take this equation, second equation. In this equation angle POB and angle QOB are there. So take this equation, angle POQ is equal to angle POB is equal to twice of angle OAP. So 2 times angle OAP plus angle QOB here is twice of angle OAQ. This is third equation, and this we can write as 2 times angle OAP plus angle OAQ, and angle OAP plus angle OAQ. See this equation, first equation, angle OAP plus angle OAQ is equal to angle PAQ. Therefore angle POQ is equal to 2 times angle PAQ. In the next case, here PQ is a semicircle. So the angle subtended by PQ at center is angle POQ. This is a straight line. So that is POQ. Here angle subtended by this semicircle PQ at any point on the circle is angle PAQ. So here we have to find the relation between angle POQ and angle PAQ. And from the third equation we can write angle POQ is equal to 2 times angle OAP plus angle OAQ. That is equal to 2 times angle PAQ because angle OAP plus angle OAQ is equal to this sum of angles is equal to angle PAQ. From first equation you can see that. So angle subtended at the center of the circle by semicircle PQ is twice of angle subtended at any point on the circle. So in this case also angle POQ is equal to 2 times angle PAQ, and here in this semicircle POQ is equal to 180 degrees. So angle PAQ is equal to angle POQ by 2, that is 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90, this is 180, so this angle is 90 degrees. In the next case, PQ is a major arc. We know that this is a major arc PQ, that is greater than semicircle. So here angle subtended by this major arc PQ at center is reflex angle POQ, angle POQ, this angle. So that is equal to reflex angle POQ. You can see from this figure, this is the angle subtended at the center by the major arc PQ. And reflex angle POQ we can write from the equation 3 like this: 2 times angle OAP plus 2 times angle OAQ, that is equal to 2 into angle OAP plus angle OAQ, sum of these two angles, that is equal to angle PAQ. So that is equal to 2 times angle PAQ. In this case also, the angle subtended at the center of the circle by major arc PQ is equal to twice of angle subtended at any point on the circle. So reflex angle POQ is equal to this angle is equal to 2 times angle PAQ. And reflex angle POQ, this angle we can find, if you know this angle we can find 360 minus angle POQ. See here in this figure. If you know this angle, then this angle we can find 360 minus angle POQ. Now please do this exercise. And here are the answers.